Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's content. Today's content is going to revolve around Cardano. But before we get into Cardano, guys, you guys can see the market is seeing a little bit of a green across the board over the last 24 hours. Litecoin absolutely killing it, absolutely killing the markets right now, which we were expecting. But overall, still nothing to be getting too excited about as far as the bullishness is concerned. But now let's get right into Cardano. Before I jump into Cardano's price, guys, just wanted to give you guys a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel, as always, is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Looking at the price of ADA, it is currently trading at 31.7 cents, up 1.9% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but down 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. If we're looking at ADA's current rank in the cryptocurrency market, ranked at the top 9th spot. And if we're looking at the market cap, hovering very strongly around that $11.12 billion market cap with the 24-hour trading volume, currently sitting at 329.3 million. And before we jump into the charts, guys, Cardano is one of the best coins right now as far as how strong it's been holding. Like, you guys would be shocked as to how strong this coin has been holding, and I really do believe that this coin is about to really take over in 2023. And I've been a supporter of Cardano since the get-go. You guys know, if you are a regular viewer on my channel, I've been supporting Cardano for quite some time. I'm a huge believer on Charles Hoskinson, and I do believe the year of 2023 could be very impressive for the price of ADA. Now let's get right into the price and see what's exactly going on with the price and where are we going in the immediate short term. So right away, daily time frame, always like showing that to the viewers because it really gives us an image as to what has happened with the price over the past 1 year. Hit an all-time high of $3.10 just last September, and since then we have seen a massive retracement happen for the price of ADA. You guys can see we retraced about 90% since all-time high. And now if we go zoom into the bigger picture, really kind of see what has been going on. And the reason as to why I've been saying that the price of Cardano has been holding really well is that this 30 cents, guys, this 30 cents level of support for Cardano is very strong. And I've seen price of the price of Bitcoin really fluctuating quite a bit, a lot of manipulation going on within the board, but we're seeing Cardano hold very strong, and there could be something that we don't know either that's happening, or that support line is just way too strong, because this support dates back to all the way. You guys can see it dates back to the previous before this massive pump that we have seen, which was around January of 2021, and this is a major level of support for the price of Cardano. But now comes a question: are we going to set newer lows for the price of ADA in the immediate short term, or are we going to start heading back above this level of resistance and start really making this rally towards the upside to the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which we have not seen since May 9th of this year? If I do bring up the measuring tool for you guys, ADA has retraced about, we are currently away about 30% from this level of resistance. Right now, currently, we do need to see the price of Cardano get above this level of resistance. Obviously, that's the bullish case scenario, but obviously, one thing we do need to keep in mind is that the buying pressure, as you guys can see, is not there right now. It's just not there for the price of ADA, and that is one thing we do need to keep in consideration. But right now, the bullish scenario that everyone wants to know, obviously, we all want to think about bullish. If you guys want to know the bullish scenario, we need to be above 40 cents mark, and this level of resistance is very strong for the price of ADA. You guys can see we try to break out of here quite some time since October, but never really managed to stay above here. And then obviously on November we saw that massive BTC drop, causing the price of Cardano to crash as well. Right now you guys can see we are forming a pattern, but I do believe that Cardano is closer to its bottom than ever. The price of Bitcoin, on the other hand, is still looking very bearish. I do expect that Bitcoin could see more downwards momentum because I'm not convinced 78.6 is the level that I'm looking at, and most importantly the 22k mark, which is nowhere close where we're at, and I do believe we have more downwards momentum to go. As far as Bitcoin is concerned. Obviously, that is going to have an impact on Cardano's price, but long-term perspective, guys, I think Cardano next bull cycle is going to go above $3. Now, you may be saying, oh, Cardano is dead, Cardano is this, Cardano is that. Now, let's just look at the ecosystem, how far this ecosystem has come since 17, 18, 19. These years, if you compared back then, Cardano was nowhere where it's at now. It's one step at a time. And also, one thing I like showing you guys is that look at the March 13th low. It was at 1.9 cents mark. I still remember when I was making videos on that. You guys can go watch that. 0.1 cents mark, and since then it's still up almost 1600%. And if you think the price of Cardano is going back down there, I think that ship has sailed. That ship has long sailed, unless the price of Bitcoin literally falls to $3,000, which I just do not see happening. But this shows you these are cycles that we do need to keep in mind. Obviously, look at what happened with Ethereum. When Ethereum came out new to the markets, there was a lot of uncertainty after the bear market. Oh, Ethereum's a scam coin, this, XYZ. And now look where Ethereum's at. Imagine the people that were looking at Ethereum back in the day at $6, $7. What are they thinking to themselves right now? Oh man, I wish I bought them. And we hear that continuously, and we still hear about this on Cardano. Oh, I remember when Cardano was 2 cents, 3 cents. It's just a part of the game. You need to have your patience. And remember, cryptocurrencies are unregulated. If you do your due diligence and research, invest in proper, useful projects that are solving some sort of use case and, really taking blockchain seriously and innovating during the bear markets, that is a good sign. If you see a project stall during the bear market, biggest red flag there can be ever, in my personal opinion. And, if we go on the staking rewards, you guys can see number 2 most staked asset on the staking rewards is Cardano. Almost 71% of the circulation supply is being staked right now. Imagine when the bull market returns. These people right here that are staking their Cardano, they're earning passive income over time. They're staking their Cardano, making the holdings bigger. And when the bear market is over and the bull market starts, those holdings that they have compounded over the years are going to be worth a lot, and their overall holdings get bigger and bigger as time goes by. And this also helps the price to recover way faster because less coins are on the exchange. It's just a basic supply and demand factor that we do need to keep in mind. I still believe that Cardano is going to hit an all-time high in the next bull cycle because the overall market valuation is going to hit an all-time high as well. But always remember, only time is going to tell, and always invest what you can afford to lose in crypto. I cannot stress this enough, and always take profits. But right now, the bullish scenario would be for us to get back above that 40 cents mark, and then we will take it from there. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, where you guys see the price of Cardano going in the immediate short term, what your overall strategy is. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys have shown me. The goal is to reach 100,000 subscribers next year, and I need each and every one of you guys to come join the army. Thank you so much. I love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.